Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Viki not working on your Apple TV. Now I just ran into this issue guys, and you might want to learn how to fix this issue if you're trying to watch your favorite dramas or shows on Viki, but are running into issues. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but let's go ahead and get started. Now what I did was that I actually went into settings, and then I scrolled down to where it says system. Afterwards, I clicked on restart. So what this is doing is that it's actually resetting your Apple TV to actually go ahead and reset your Viki app also. So once this finishes loading, we can go through a few other series or steps to actually go ahead and fix your Viki not working. Other things to keep note of is that do make sure that you are connected into the internet. Sometimes our internet goes down, but just ensure that your internet connection is stable and that it might be necessary that you might need to restart your router or switch to get a stronger network. Also, make sure that you update your Apple TV and Viki app. Now the way to do that is that in the App Store, you would actually go ahead and find Viki. So here I have all of my streaming apps and services. So go ahead and find Viki over here, which is located here, or you can use the search bar to find this. But if you go ahead and click on Viki, just make sure that there's no update icon here. Now as far as making sure that your Apple TV is up to date as well, go back onto the home screen and then click on settings and then scroll down to where it says system. So once you click on system, click on software updates and then update your Apple TV. So that right there guys is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix Viki not working on Apple TV. By following these tips, you can hopefully fix your Viki issues and get back to enjoying your favorite dramas in no time. But if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.